What's up, y'all? Wanted y'all to show you my car. People wanna actually laugh at me when I over there tell them people are running me off the road. Like I got tagged by a dump truck. It smacked me and drove off. I don't get it. I don't understand. But if I actually had a problem now, man, I got them today. Whole bunch of shit going on. Now my car getting actually fucked up by bigger cars, bigger trucks. I just wanted to get a video out to y'all today. I got to deal with my car today. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Oh, there's my beautiful daughter. Say hey, baby girl. Say hey. But other than that, I just wanted to actually let you know I got tagged by a dump truck. I got shit to deal with today. Hope y'all's day is a good one. Hope y'all have a blessed one. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Man, this is some BS.